بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear kids, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, I am here to teach you a new topic today. Now, take out your books from the bags and open page 17 quickly. Okay, now come to the topic. Today your new topic is ascending and descending order. What? Ascending and descending order. First of all, we will learn ascending order. Look at the first one, ascending order. Students, ascending order means moving from lowest number to the greatest number. Now look here. When the numbers are arranged from smallest to largest numbers in the given set, we say that these numbers are in ascending order. Ascending order moving from lowest to greatest but in arranged form. It does not mean that the lowest number in between the lowest and greatest will be unarranged numbers. No. Your numbers of set should be arranged from lowest to the greatest number. Look at the birds. Look at the lowest bird. I am the smallest, so I took the first place. We will start from the lowest number. That is why this bird is in first place. We will start from here, from the lowest number. And the lowest number is 3. After this is 4. And after this is 5. After this is 6. And the last number, which is the greatest number, is 7. And look students, all the birds has their numbers in sequence form, not in unarranged form. These all numbers from 3 to 7 are in arranged form. Come to descending order. Descending order means moving from greatest number to the lowest number, but in arranged form. What? In arranged form, not in unarranged form. Look here, look down these birds. Look at, in ascending order we move from 3 to upward side up to 7. In descending order we are moving downwards from 7 to the lowest number. From greatest number to the lowest number we are going downwards. The birds are flying downwards. Downward. Okay, now look here. We'll start from here because in descending order we start from the greatest number. Therefore, this bird is on the first place. This bird has the number 7, which is the greatest number. After 7, the small number is 6. After 6, the small number is 5. After 5, the small number is 4. And the smallest number is 3. Therefore, this bird is in last number. What? In last number. So, I hope you got my point. I am repeating again. In ascending order, the numbers moving from smallest to the greatest in arranged form, and in descending order, the numbers moving from greatest to the lowest number in arranged form. Now students, turn your page, take out page 18. For enjoying ascending and descending order, you have a colorful page and you have two interesting activities. Look at the example. Example 15. Draw an arrow to show ascending order or descending order and write A for ascending and D for descending. The starting alphabet of ascending is A, therefore the capital A will you write, and the starting alphabet of descending is D, therefore you will write D for descending order. Now come down and look at the candles, how beautiful they are. Look, there are some numbers are looking here. There are numbers on each candle. Look at this candle, the numbers starts from 96. How I say the numbers start from 96? Because the arrow is going upward. It means we are starting from here and the numbers will go upward. Then we will find that it is ascending or descending order. Now look at this. 96 is the greatest number. After 96, the small number is 82. After 82, the small number is 78, then 49, then 36, then 15. It means, student, what does it mean? It means we are moving from greatest number to the lowest number. It means this is descending order. And look there, the red alphabet D means it is descending order. Now the other three we will do. Look here, it is starting from here 5, then the 5 is the lowest number, then 28 is big number from the 5, then 54. You know students, we are increasing the number. 54, after 54 is 69, then 72, then 89, then the largest and greatest number is 92. What does it mean, students? We are going from lowest number to the greatest number. It means the numbers are increasing upward. So this means, now student look, this is in ascending order. Then we will write the capital A here and draw an arrow. Look at the third one. 410, 429, 499. The numbers are increasing to the greatest number. 505, 510, 599, 511. It means we are going from smallest to the greatest, therefore it means ascending order. So we will write here the capital alphabet A and draw an arrow. Look at the fourth one. 564, then 421. It means it is decreasing. 411, 410, 202, 202, 169, 162. It means the numbers goes from 500 to 100. So therefore it is moving up to smallest number. Therefore we will write D, capital D, and draw an arrow. It is decreasing number or descending number. Okay, now you can follow it and draw an arrows and write alphabets in your own books. Come to the next activity. Look at counting backward 10 steps down from any given number. Students, in this activity you are looking a small house and a boy. A boy is coming to the house in steps. There are some steps. So, in questions, we will read counting backward. We will count backward. 10 steps backward. So 10, the backward counting are then 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. These all are 10 steps. You will count it backward. Okay, I am going to write for you in the steps, then you will follow me. Now look at the steps. These are backward counting. Backward counting mean what? Why these steps are going in backward counting? This boy is decreasing the steps, it is going to the lowest number. He is going to the lowest number from 10 to 1 to the backward counting. It means the descending order, in descending order. I hope students you got my point. Try again and again and do your work neatly. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.